Guys, Andrew here, and welcome back to AppIQ. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your navigation gesture on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. So do a swipe up and tap on Settings. Then scroll all the way down to where you have Display, tap on that. Then scroll down again to where you find Navigation Bar, tap on that. Now, yours most likely will be on buttons, right? Because you'll be able to see those three buttons at the bottom there. But you can also change this to swipe gesture, right? And all you have to do is just simple tap on swipe gesture and this will be changed. Your navigation bar will disappear. You can even go to more options here and you can change how you want it to be. So as you can see, you have swipe from bottom. You also have swipe from side, which is currently set. So you'll be able to swipe from side to access it. You also have more options here at the bottom as well, like swipe to open assistant app and gesture sensitivity. You can check that as well. Go back. Now I'm going to leave mine on buttons. You can also go ahead as well and you can change the button order. So mine button order is basically shows the first button that allows you to view multiple apps. The middle one is basically to minimize or go to the home. The last button on the right is basically to go back. So you can go ahead and change the order of how you want those buttons to change. So come here guys and check out this navigation bar settings, play around with it. You might find it useful. And yeah, thank you for watching guys and see you next time.